Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It is Miss Griffith here with a couple of updates for tomorrow and just some tips and stuff for getting in the line. So as we move to a regular traffic flow in a normal day, first of all, I want to say thank you for a great day. We loved visiting with your kids and just getting to know them and really sharing this first day experience with them. We appreciate it so much. We also appreciate your patience with the traffic, as it will eventually smooth out. But let me see here. So the normal traffic flow tomorrow, so starting at 7:15, the doors will open at the elementary and you can drop your kiddos off. But 7:15 is when the doors open so that we can allow our staff and teachers to get there. So you will enter Eagle Spirit off 1189, and you will, this first entrance, this is not an entrance, it's staff and buses only, but you'll continue on, and this is going to be a two-way road this time, and you'll enter in, take a left into the second entrance. You're going to go all the way around. Many of you are in the pickup today and saw that, and loop around and drop off. We ask that you pull all the way up, okay? Whenever you come, pull all the way up to right here so that we can maximize the amount of cars that are dropping off and that the kiddos can get out. Right there. And then if you're going, just make sure your kiddos are ready to get out of the car when they get up here. We ask that parents don't get out of the car. We'll have staff out there to help get kids out of the car. So anyways, we will do all that. And this is for those that are dropping off tomorrow. Know that we will be taking care of your kids and getting them to where they need to go. There'll be lots of people directing kids and making sure that they're in the right place. Let me think of a couple other things. So again, regular drop-off tomorrow. One of the biggest things for drop-off and pickup, when we have kids that maybe it's a little slower to get out of the car, we're asking that you do not pass in the line. It is a safety hazard. Sometimes kids do get in and out of their vehicles on that other side, and it's just not worth it. Please wait. If we're having some trouble in a car, we will have them pull up so that you can pass, but please do not pass unless we wave you by. That's very, very important for us in the line. If you need to buckle your kiddos in the pickup line, please pull all the way up, get them in the car, and then pull all the way up past cone 1, and that will give you a space to be able to get them situated, and we'll help however we can. Again, we just ask for your patience for the next couple weeks as we iron all of the traffic out and everybody gets used to the routines, as we have, lots of new folks, and we want to make sure that they feel supported as they're kind of learning this new process. Trying to think what else. Again, we just appreciate you sharing your kids with us so much. And, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day. Go Eagles.